Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Chatgpt too many redirects problem. Our first solution is we need to disable our all extensions and we need to clear our cookies on browser. So open your browser and tap on this three dot, click on more tools, click on extensions, and all you have to need, disable all of your extensions here. And then again click on this three dot, click on settings and click on about Chrome and make sure to update your browser here. Then click on privacy and security, click on cookies and other site data, scroll down, see all site data and permissions and search here OpenAI. And we need to delete our OpenAI from here. So click on delete, click on clear, and now all you have to need, refresh your chat OpenAI and re-log in into your account and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is you need to open your Chatgpt in incognito mode. So open your browser and tap on this three dot, click on new incognito window, and all you have to need, type here Chatgpt and open this website from here. Click on try Chatgpt, click on login, give here your account email address and password and login into your account and check the problem if solved or not. And the third solution is we need to use a VPN extension. To do that, open your browser and type here Chrome Web Store and search for VPN. And you can add any VPN from here. I'm gonna adding Touch VPN, add to Chrome. Once you added the VPN, tap on this puzzle icon. From here, pin the VPN and click on the VPN, click on connect. Once you connect it, now open your Chatgpt and check the problem if fixed or not. So follow these methods to fix your problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.